In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track fitness goals in Airtable. Start by logging into Airtable on your desktop. If you're beginning fresh, click Add a base and choose Start from Scratch. If you already have a base you like, open that instead so you can build the tracker right where you work. First, set up a dedicated table. Rename the default table to Fitness Goals. Now add the core fields you'll use to define each goal. Goal name as a single line text field. Goal type as a single select with options like strength, cardio, flexibility, and habit. Target metric as single line text to describe what you're measuring, such as pounds lifted, miles, minutes, or sessions. Target value as a number. Start date and target date as date fields. And status as a single select with planned, active, and completed. Next, make it actionable by tracking progress. Add a number field called current value. Then add a formula field called progress % that calculates how far you are toward the target. A simple approach is current value divided by target value, multiplied by 100. Format the result as a %. Optionally cap it at 100% to prevent overrun. With this in place, you can update current value after each workout and instantly see where you stand. To focus your attention, create a few helpful views. An active goals view shows anything with status set to active. A completed goals view filters for completed. An overdue goals view surfaces goals where the target date is before today and status isn't completed. Views act like saved lenses, so you're not constantly rebuilding filters. Add sorting to bring the most urgent items to the top, such as sorting by target date soonest first, or group and sort by goal type when planning a balanced week. If you need Airtable open while you follow along, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description. Go ahead and click that to set up your base side by side. When you're in execution mode, filter to show only active goals. Now, streamline updates with simple automations. Create one that marks status as completed whenever progress reaches 100%. Set up another that sends you a notification when a target date is approaching, so nothing slips. Make a habit of reviewing this tracker regularly. Update current value consistently and adjust targets as your fitness level improves, whether that means raising weights, extending distances, or tightening timelines. Over time, these small updates build a clear picture of progress and keep you accountable. That's how you can track fitness goals in Airtable and stay consistent with your wellness routine. Thanks for watching.